Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Today we have this Nissan Sentra, I believe 2000 and let me see, just be sure. 2000 and here is the VIN number, and I believe the year of the car supposed to be somewhere in this area. You see date 2015, 2016, 17. I don't know if this car need that service to be done or not, but we have a code for the air flow emitter sensor, and the computer was being replaced. I mean the sensor was being replaced, which is here. It's brand new one from the dealer. And they say that if you have this problem and you change the sensor and still the code P0101 keep coming, you must upgrade update the computer to the latest software. So now I put the battery charger on it just to be sure. I prefer to have your charger on it, always recommended, because you don't want to go into failure of in the middle of the programming and the battery go down. In some cars, you may get into trouble. At least put a booster. Okay, so now you see the check engine light is on. I'm gonna use my Console 3 Plus with this interface. As I see here, this interface can work. I connected to the OBD2. Let me be sure that it's connected. Okay, to the car. I'm gonna disconnect it and put it back again, just to be sure. Yeah, now it's good. This is a laptop, this is a car. Console 3 Plus is powering up. Be sure your charger also is connected. I don't know why it's take time. Maxima, Ultima, Infinity, they all have this problem of updating the computer when you have an air flow emitter sensor code. I don't know why it doesn't want to work. Maybe it's freeze. Let me try it again. Okay, now I'm gonna go here. Before I do anything, I have to be sure I have internet connect, because without internet you can't do nothing. Connect here, connect 9DCB7E, and then go into your password, copy it and keep it standby. I don't know why my computer is very slow. Because the 3 Plus, we were talking about the P0101. Okay, here I'm going to do one thing. This is the but it's not connected here yet. You see it? Okay, we connected. So let me see now. I'm supposed to get something here to connect it to this. If it doesn't work, so I'm gonna close it. And then we come back. We have to close this file. There is a problem in my Console 3 Plus. It's kind of very slow to turn on. This one here is working, but it's gonna be okay soon. Let's see what happened. Okay, now let's go and diagnose this car to see what happened on the engine and what code we are talking about. If it's still having the same just this code, we require engine control module, engine computer to be upgraded. We are performing the test now, and after that we will go back to check and see what the requirement. As you know, you have to update the car to you have to update the computer to the latest software. You see here P0101, and we also evap leak. P0101, this is a code, and we also have evap leak. So I'm gonna go back, and I will go out of here, and then I will go to, yeah, I'm gonna try to check something here. Hold on. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to programming. We already know what is the code. Okay, I don't know what happened. My phone was freeze completely. Maybe because of the charger. Nissan. This is a Nissan Sentra 2016-17. The VIN number says 17, but the computer go by VIN number. So let's go ahead and check if we have any update. Okay, don't forget that the charging system is 13.6, which is good. Sometimes the software will not go through unless it's authenticated by subscription. You need to use Console 3 Plus. You have to have a subscription on a Nissan database, Nissan software. Now I just want to know if we have an update. Sometimes you don't have an update at all. You don't have an update for the computer. I just say programming, and don't worry about it. This is the software. I have it. It will go look. It will ask you about. You have to read all the page before you click OK, and then go to the next level. Now here there is an update. There is an update. Click next. Don't worry about it. Say next. You cannot update if those things are working. First, the car is running. So the car is running. I'm gonna turn the engine off, ignition on. You see now air condition is working. So that's why the AC is working. I'm gonna turn the AC off. You don't need no load. Now we're good. But before you go, I prefer to go down here, put this down, and open your Nissan Tech Info, because you need to get the username password in case it asks you. Copy. Now you go here, say next. Now you wait a little bit. It will start programming, but it will pop up something for you. Now you're gonna put your username. Now I'm gonna put my password. I put the password. Let me see now. It will go through the programming. 10 minutes. Please be patient, and I'm sorry. Like I'm using my hand, one hand, like holding the video, the camera, and the other one try to, this is why you see a lot of shut off, turn it off, turn it up. Please stay quiet, don't move a lot of cables. Here also is keep bubbling, you see, the computer download software. Here is ignition is on, the fan start working, you see. When the fan start working, that means the computer, there's no software in it. So be careful. That's where you say that you have to have a charger. The car is not running and I have 13.5. The transfer is 20% and it's keep going. This is applicable for all Nissan, Infiniti, maybe even Mazda. Sometimes if the software is the same, and you just have to be patient. Be sure you have a battery. You have to have internet connection, and you're good to go. After this is finished, okay, I'm gonna stop here a little bit. Okay, no problem. Thank you. Okay, no problem. Okay, you see here, everything is look good. Okay, I'm gonna try to go to the next. Okay, that's the next step. It will not program your car if you have the original tools without authentication. Please subscribe and share and like. %, and after that it will ask you to have what is it? Turn the key off for 10 seconds. Now click next. He will tell you here, now you're gonna start the car to do the idle. See? Click next. You're gonna do the idle relearn. Start. You're gonna wait here. Look at this. It's going to be complete. If it's not, you have to do it manually. This RPM, you see here, is supposed to pull down to this area. If it doesn't do it, that means there is a problem. But it's supposed to go, you see? And if it's come exactly to the adjustment, it will say complete there. Oh, we don't have no AC working, so we're good. Yes, it's complete. See, it's complete. Idle complete. Click next. You have to turn the key off. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open the ignition. 2 seconds. Off. 10 seconds. On. 2 seconds. Off. 10 seconds. Just follow the step, on off 10 seconds. And look at the top here, it's counting down, and then on 2 seconds, and then on 2 seconds, then off. Complete. Now start the car. Car running normally, there is no codes. Next, turn the ignition off, on. Now it will clear all the DTC. This job will take about 20 minutes, maybe less than 20 minutes if everything is okay, but by the time you open the hood, read the code and do everything, it take maybe 20 minutes or something like that. But at least you are on the right track and good to go. Really thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Please share, like, and if you have any question, now we have the database. We have the VIN number, the software before and after is all there. Confirm. You want to take a picture or home, say home, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. This is Muhammad Idris. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. This is Muhammad Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any question, feel free to ask, and see you in another video.